Hey up guys, it's Dave writing 41 songs in 41 days. So today's song number 38. I think one of the best songs I've written so far was the song I wrote when I tried the letter writing method. So I figured today I would try and write another song using the letter writing method, but I might try and do it a little bit differently because I don't have much time. Let's get cracking. Last time when I did this letter writing thing, it was something I wanted to get off my chest, which is why I think it did become a song that means quite a lot to me. My plan with this one is to write a letter to someone that I don't know, have it be a little bit more general and just see if it does yield anything. Right, so this is the plan. I was watching, I think it was a Lad Bible video, old homeless man meets young homeless man or something like that. And there was something really interesting that they said in this, which was people just giving you the time of day. So I was thinking I might write a letter to a homeless person and see if there's something in that. Last time when I did this, did it work because it was actually a personal thing? And will it work if it's just a bit more generic? So I've only written like one page there, and I'm going to read it out. It must be cold at night. I hope you dress warm. I wonder what your story is and how did you end up here? Why are you still in this situation? Surely there must be some help out there. Did you take a wrong turn in life and are you still going that way? Everyone's got problems, but it's how you deal with them that's important. It's sad that you're ignored. The least I can do for another human being is give you the time of day. So I just had this little thing there, like going, I hope you dress warm at night, 'cause it's cold outside, and I'll make some space in my mind. Think about you, I think about you sometimes. I think I've got like the title, which is You're a Human Being. You're a human being in a bad place. I'm a human being. I wanna give you the time of. There's something not quite right there. I'm a human being giving you, human being giving you the time of day. Oh, that could be. I really do like this letter writing method. Like, I think that's pretty good. Pre-chorus. I hope you just warm at night, 'cause it's cold outside. I'll make some space in my mind. Think about you sometimes. 'Cause you're a human being in a bad place, and I'm a human being giving you the time of day. I need to start thinking about verses. I don't want to spend ages on this. Is a little bit of an exercise, but I'm quite liking what's coming out. I like this phrase there, you were a victim of your circumstance. And I like, there's a bit in there where I'm saying it's easy to take a wrong turn. Are you still going that way? You were a victim of circumstance, heading the wrong way. It's easy to take a wrong turn in life, but you're the one who's gotta make a change. Hope you dress warm at night. Well, I need another one of those. Let's work on that. Right, I don't have much time left, so I'm gonna have to just call it quits on this now. I mean, I was gonna have this as one verse, then come up with another verse. I'm gonna have to split this in half. So don't leave it all up to chance if you want out of this place. Only living 'cause people are kind. It feels like such a waste. I stand by this. I think this is a really, really good source of inspiration. Just gonna try and do a little recording of the song now. So if you want to check that recording out, it's on the screen now. Please like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Oh, we're so close to finishing this challenge. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.